My name is Tenny Akinpelu. I'm a fashion designer, TV presenter, and I'll also be co-hosting with him. So he has said the most classic Photostar. We all know that this is a photo reality show, and it's also a platform where young talents can showcase their skills and creativity to the world through pictures and videos. Being able to tell stories, create beautiful memories, pass messages. Photostar. We all know that this is a photo reality show. Thank you.
I want you to have something at the back of your mind, the fact that you're here, it means that you're winners, because although the audition process was really very stringent, so it means that going through the process and making it to the house, you're all winners. Celebrate yourselves. Let's get to meet our sponsors, the name and the companies they are representing.
Hello everyone. Hello. This is Mrs. Lovett Yemla, CEO, Beton Oil Company.
Welcome everybody to the house. Welcome. My name is Chiedu Keze. I'm the head of sales, Beton Oil, Palm Oil. Thank you.
Good day, young minds. You're welcome to Photo Star Quest 2019, Africa 2019. It's a great pleasure being one of your sponsors. My name is Richard Ekanem. I am the brand promoter to Lisa No Cholesterol Oil. And my MD is Prince Oji Okosisi. Please round of applause for that man. Thank you.
I think we need to appreciate our sponsors. These are people that have more talent to make sure that we will success. Alright, if you get into your meetings, you appreciate their efforts. Madam says she's from the oil company. For those of you that will be cooking or that will be in the kitchen, you will know the hot water has gone into it. I tell you, they have the best product when it comes to palm oil. Yeah. Appreciate them, appreciate them. Alright. In no particular order, we want to meet the housemates. I think this is just one of the very few times I'll have the privilege of talking to you, because next time I'll be seeing you will be on TV. Alright, so let's start from there. And you are? Catherine.
Where am I from? Yes, Benue State.
Alright.
My name is Rose.
Rose.
I'm Princess.
Princess.
I'm Juliet from Anambra State.
Juliet.
Hadija, Osun State.
Alright.
Joyce, Imo State.
Joyce.
Esther, Ekiti State. Coco from Ebonyi State. Success from Ebonyi State. Mary from Ogun State. Esther O from Ekiti State. Fatima from Ogun State. Nana from Kebbi State.
Vivian from Imo State.
Clinton from Anambra State.
Churchy from Abia State.
Joy Samuel from Enugu State.
Tevitope from Oyo State.
Is that your real voice?
Yes. Lucy from Benue State. Lucy from Benue State.
Sarafina from Edo State.
Christiana from Akwa Ibom State. Glory from Edo State.
Nancy from Ebonyi State.
Johnson, aka J Banks from Imo State.
Dosumo Aderemi Idowu from Lagos State.
I'm John Adipoju from Oyo State.
David from Lagos State.
It's Ansem Oku from Delta State. Little Flavor from Ondo State.
Alright, if you have something to say, an interesting experience you want to share with us, please, let's see you. Let's signify. Let's make it very engaging. Alright, please come forward. Please step forward.
Hi everyone. Hi. My name is Rose. Okay, we started with auditions and it was really, really nice seeing everyone. But a few days to this event, I had malaria and typhoid. And I tried everything. I tried very hard to push it, and I'm grateful to be here today. Thank you.
My name is Sarafina. I'm so glad to be here at Photo Star Quest. Of course, when the audition, the voting started, I tried to cast it to people and they were like discouraging me about it. But within my heart, I like say, this is it. This is the stepping stone. I really hold that faith. And I believe it's a stepping stone for every one of us here. But I'm really happy that I made it to the finals.
I'm so happy. I'm overwhelmed. That's the truth. It's been a long ride. It's not been easy. It's not been cozy. Been through lots of stuff. Undergoing the tasks given to us. And I must say, the journey wasn't easy at all. Along the line, I almost got discouraged because it was as if I had a zeal, I had a dream, and I was trying to pursue this dream with all that I had in me. And everyone around me just didn't see this dream pulling through. Everyone around me just couldn't key into what I believed in. So it got to a point, I just had to be the fan of myself. I just had to believe in myself and say, Photostar Quest 2019 is something I'm going to definitely have to make memories of. And I stand before you here today to say I'm very happy to be here, to be with you all. Man, I'm very happy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone. My name is Mary. Actually, when I first came for the audition of this program, I was asked to choose between my job and this program. But I do really believe in this event, and I believe it's going to make a change in my life. And I want everybody to have belief in that, so that this program will make a change in each and everyone's life. Amen.
You all, make you know you are out of the comfort of your homes. Phones, all food is submitted. They'll be coming up to you, submit your phones. You won't be having full access to those phones like you used to do. I think at intervals, the phones will be given to you. But for now, please submit your phones. It's a welcome party, and we welcome you to the luxury mansion. Please, we have enough drinks and foods to eat. We need you to unwind, get to know yourselves better. You're going to be here for a while, so please don't be in a hurry. Party hard, like you've never done before. On the wheels of steel, I've got one of Nigeria's finest, DJ FEZ, that will be entertaining us with good music. Ladies and gentlemen, the evening has just started.
I am the brand ambassador and the brand promoter of this event, of this product. It's a wonderful product. It's Lisa No Cholesterol. There are many oil in the market, but none can be as refined and as good as Lisa No Cholesterol oil. Like you know and you've heard, it doesn't contain cholesterol. It simply means it's heart friendly. If you want to have a healthy heart, take Lisa oil.
Yeah, Photostar Quest, we are happy to partner with you. It was quite solid, but we just have to make it. Hoping that next year, if it's going to be an annual event, then we're going to do better than what we're doing today. Definitely going to do better than what we have done already. And I will also be glad to announce to you that from the housemate here, we're going to have 2 ambassadors for 2019. We will not be greedy about it. We're going to make it a boy, a girl, and a boy. Yes.
Primer. Okay. Success. Esther. Okay. We'll watch you from the comfort of our homes. Our ambassadorship is not limited to this we have just mentioned. You know, so we'll watch you from the comfort of our homes and we'll take decision appropriately. Hello. So everybody is a winner. a multi-million naira contract that will be coming, it can be any of you. Like my other sponsor said, it's not easy. In the next one, I think we are going to pump in more. We're going to have more support. Okay, so that all I just have to say, conduct yourself while you are here. Laser oil, you say no cholesterol. Laser oil. No cholesterol.
I tell you, this is sorry again. Veteran Oil is we're adding additional ambassador and making it 3, and the third person is Julie. Julie. Yes. All right, Julie. Congratulations. We'll see you on Friday. Thank you.
All right, and also from Laser Oil.
Who's Esther O? Yeah, Esther O. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake before. I said Esther without adding O. So this is not just Esther, it's Esther. It's coming on your way with the craziest DJ and crazy.
let's try and work together. What if we kind of put all the parts in one cell?
We'll still bring it out and bring it out. You don't be small. You don't be small. See, we should not be scared. See, there's something I'm explaining to you all. Let's just keep our stuff in one place. People are not going to be always sleeping on the bed. The thing is, it's just that sometimes some people say, can I come inside? Can I come inside? Hey, what? Follow that question! This guy, how far? Which are rooms are you? Opposite your room. I see spots on your face. Have you tried Kojic? Kojic Clear. The best cream. I will use that, but forget my cream. Try it. The thing is actually nice. The Kojic. When I buy cream. Hey, my dear. Are you speaking about Kojic? You sure you've heard of Kojic? You have a smooth skin, my dear. Your skin could be fresh, not just smooth. Fresh, shining, and glowing. Try Kojic today. Let me help you do it. Bring it home. You have inspiration. Boss me, don't boss me. Come and stay here.
You can come and stay if you can. Let me angry. Come
down. Come down. Please, I want to
I've been here begging.
Wait, come on, when you don't put clothes. You don't put clothes, they shout. How are you? I don't understand. Sit down, man.
Get out. I don't understand.
I was the first to bathe, and I enjoyed the water.
I'm checking the sound. I'm checking the sound on the camera.
What are you saying? Because of this, your konji, blah 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 blah.
Konji? Wait, please.
Come and see.
It's Kojic.
What? Because of konji?
Hello.
Wait, bro, don't make no. Just go outside, please. Just go outside.
Come on, if you enter a room again, I will break your head.
Thank you, bro.
How do you lay your hands on me?
Just play. I'm not playing with you. I'm playing with you.
Our AC is not working.
Is that what is not working?
I don't think it's because of the light. I think it's not doing it.
It's doing it, Abby. Give me that remote, no first. I'm feeling it now.
Never teach on it. But I do get body reaction.
Do you see anything about that?
Proudly sponsored by Famatex Industries Limited, makers of Lumapil and Paratech, Lesser Oil, Jordana Cosmetics, LA Pride USA, Parfumery Akagod Resources Limited, and Pointed. Also supported by BIE Photography, The Vinci Global, Red Carpet on TV, Serotonin Concepts Limited, Flash Image Media. For adverts, call 0705 572 8547.